Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the language on the YesWriter application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen and you can find different buttons. New, just go to the lower bar and click to the last option, the My. And here, tap to the last option, the settings. New, you can find the second section, the language. And here you can select different languages, for example, Hungarian, Lithuanian, Chinese or others. Actually, I use the system and my device in the English mode, but you can select any other. Just select one, tap that and click to the OK button at the lower side of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.